It's another beautiful video. Today I'm going to explore a new path to go to work. For those of you who are new here, my name is Abdul Halim from Comoros, and on this channel I share videos about real life in France, real life abroad. You know, not only the big moment, but also the smallest details that make everyday life special. I'm cycling 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. I'm taking this path. It's a new path I'm exploring. Let me see what can I discover in this new path. So the goal here, I would like to train myself. I have a big dream. I want to go to Switzerland with my bike. So for me, riding every single day, it's an opportunity to train. Look at these people. Oh wow, isn't it beautiful? Look down. Wow. So as I said in my previous videos, I would like to go to Switzerland, Geneva, Switzerland, with my bike. Will I be able to do that? I think yes, because the fact that I'm riding every single night to go to work, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of exercise. I think my body is ready for that adventure. For now, I don't have a car, and I'm not planning to have one for the time being. The bike is enough for me. Oh, normally he was supposed to let me go, but you know, there are some people who don't respect priorities. This is peaceful. This is peaceful. Oh my God. I can do this every single day of my life. On my right, there is the river Son. This is one of my favorite places while cycling at night. From here, you can see the light, you can enjoy the river Son. Let me get closer for you to see. Can you see this beauty? This is the sun, and there is the bridge in front of me. So again, I'm going to cross the bridge over there and go to Saint Laurent. There is Saint Laurent, and then try to find my way to my work. I love this little town at night. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the bridge. I love this. Every single night from Monday to Friday I pass here, and every single day it's like it's my first day passing here. This river, it's very awesome. Wow. Let me stop. Enjoy the beauty. Cycling, I cannot tell you enough. I cannot stress this enough. cycling is peaceful. If somebody would like to exercise your body while enjoying yourself, take your bike and go cycling. You will see, especially at night. Myself, I really enjoy this. Cycling at night is another level, and it's not made for everybody. It requires a lot of efforts, a lot of courage and motivation. And now I'm going to cross the bridge. Can you see? Now I'm leaving Mâcon. I'm going to Saint-Laurent. Saint-Laurent-sur-Saône. Saint-Laurent-sur-Saône, what does it mean? Let me explain you this, how I understand the thing. This is the Saône, and this is the bridge that goes on the Saône that is linking Mâcon and Saint-Laurent. So this little town is called Saint-Laurent-sur-Saône because it's built on the Saône. That's why we say Saint-Laurent-sur-Saône. Sur in French means on. So this is Saint-Laurent on the Saône because the river Saône is flowing gently through the little town, separating this town of Saint-Laurent and Mâcon. There is not Mâcon-sur-Saône, that's only Mâcon. But here is Saint-Laurent-sur-Saône, which means Saint-Laurent on the Saône. So the Saône is under Saint-Laurent. So this is how I understand the thing. Wow, look at them. What are they doing? How they park their cars. It's unbelievable. Here we go. Many people are riding to work. Yeah, in France, many people are riding to work, and it's not seen as a failure because in some countries, in some cultures, cycling to work every day, it's considered as a failure. For instance, in my country, if you are cycling every day to work, people will laugh at you. People will say you're not successful. People will say you cannot afford to buy a car. Myself, I know I can afford to buy a car, but I prefer to do it with my bike because I think it's not the right moment to buy a car. With all of the things going on, the price of gasoline that is up, and I don't see the necessity of buying a car right now. The fact that, hey, what is he doing? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh wow. And this is done day. This is 4:30 a.m. the beginning of another day, the beginning of a new day. I'm going back home. Here we go. Wow, it's very cold. Wow. Guys, look, there again is Mâcon, and this is the river Saône. Every single video I make about Mâcon, Just make sure I mention this river because it's a very big tourist attraction here in Macon. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go, down the bridge to ride on the riverside so you can really see the bridge, how beautiful it is at night. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna wait because I'm gonna go in my left to go down there. I don't know if you can see very well, but there is a little path down there. Let me just go. Can you see the little path? I'm going down there. Look, this is Macon. So I want to show you something very beautiful to see at night. Let me show you this. Stop recording. Can you see this? This is really beautiful. Okay, what I can do actually, what I wanted to show you again, I wanted to show you this. You see? Woo! Then this is our beautiful sun, and there is the river. Oh, sorry, there is the bridge where I was. Then there is this big opportunity to ride by the riverside. Really, this is beautiful. So up there, that's the bridge. That's where I was. I really enjoy this. This is so peaceful. And then the bridge is up there. And then here I am again. Now I'm going to continue my way back home. I will just say thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Goodbye. See you in the coming videos.